Tan 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 tan.
Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. And tonight we're in Hingog City. Ay, Pantalan, Hingog City. Piyayay sa Pantalan, Hingog City. Yes, we're gonna explore the sa Hingog. Piyayay sa Pantalan. And they're dating. Double. And featuring my brother and my mom and dad. Oh, walang forever. Magkuhan sa ami og
Quick. Slow joke.
slow, yes. It's like it if you will go here in Hingog City, you can't miss the quick because
yes.
it's just like that here. Kung taga-Hingog magud ka, bisag naka-try na ka og quick sa lain nga lugar, it's different here.
Yes.
Like I've tried quick in what we call this, sa Cebu, sa Bohol, and the best quick is still here in Hingog.
Yeah.
I think so.
Quick.
Sa ako lang kay taga-Hingog man ko.
Look.
Dahan kay tao, and yes, it's so ulaw. I'm vlogging. I think it's so ulaw, but baga makugnaw, so okay ra na siya.
Yes.
Just a quick. Here guys, yan quick. Waiting for our order. At bila ganito? 15 pesos for quick. Actually before ano pa ni siya, 10 pesos when I was high school. So nag-improve. Like okay na guys, sorry. I'm gonna talk to you later. But yes, I'm gonna eat some quick. Let's get some shakes.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the best shake in the world.
Quick.
The best.
Next up, best shake.
The best shake in Hingog City.
Yes.
And it's so cheap.
Tan. Ato na to. Mas dako dito.
Ikat for pahayahay sa Pantalan, Hingog City.
Yay!
Let's go! guide. I'm your tour guide. So this is, hello. So this is the White House. I don't know.
Sa umar, gusto nito.
There is the office. Chicheria, manga, yeah, chicheria, manga. And just the same, this chicherias and mangas and here we have dito pa tanaw. Nagito ka na fish balls. Fish balls.
The shake.
What I'm drinking right now, the best mango shake in Hingog City. Next one,
Quick.
the best quick in Hingog City. And then the sabak kayo nga mga kuan. Sabak kayo nga mga kapani?
Karaoke. Nag-aabay pa gino.
Nasa sinadari ka ng mga corns. Pero wala rin yung mga kananan guys. I eat some, sir, no?
Murag.
Siomai.
Wow. Fries. Oops.
May karinderya if you want some balot, if you want to get married, you can buy here.
Lol.
Kung na kay mga baby, hindi ka magpalit sa kuan.
Mga toys.
Mga toys. And then the next one, kaya mga shake and then zagu or whatever. Oh, zagu. Actually guys, before I tried their zagu and then their zagu is biniknit.
What?
But nag-improve na sila karon. I like it. Mga ano like mga snacks. Like quick, siomai, chicheria,
Shakes.
Because food is life. I'm not gonna show you the daytime place. I'm gonna show you the
Food.
The food. If you want the best pizza in Hingog City, you go to this place. This is
Boca Feliz.
Roca Feliz. The best is the folded one. The folded
Pizza.
garzon. Ding.
Yeah. Best folded pizza.
And then that's just a barbecue there. Okay, because they're just food and then it's just cheap and then it's just affordable for price. Yes, so that's my tour for this Pantalan Hingog, and I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, love you, bye! Okay, dagan.